Alright, who's ready for a good old-fashioned reject shop restock haul? I was like, how the hell do I introduce this video? But it's been ages since I've been into the reject shop and it was that time again. I think you guys know by now that the reject shop is my favourite place to get all my household cleaning supplies. And then of course when I'm in there I find everything else that I don't need but like really want. It's friggin' dangerous in there. Anyway, let's dive in, shall we? Okay, first things first, I've got this Bella Rich Pistachio Fragrance Hand Soap. I had a few different flavours there, but this was definitely my favourite. I don't know how much you guys love it when I say flavors instead of scents. Gosh, that is a really beautiful scent. The almond comes through quite strong. I wouldn't say the pistachio would be like the first note that I pick up on. But yeah, definitely almond and quite floral, but very unisex at the same time. I like that packaging too, it's quite cute. All right, next up, I've got a double whammy and definitely no stranger to this channel. It's by Novak. It's their carpet and fabric sanitizer and deodorizer, specifically in the fresh pet scent. This is definitely my favorite. They also do like a vanilla and a floral. I just find this stuff does a really good job at keeping things fresh. I keep a can in my linen cupboard and also downstairs in the kitchen. Usually I'll spray this on my couch, or if I'm upstairs after I finish vacuuming, I like to spray it on the carpet. And yeah, a little goes a long way, so love this stuff. All right, next up, because I'm a sucker for punishment, this stuff is my go-to mouthwash. It's the Listerine Total Care 10-in-1 Benefits. My favorite thing about this is that this stuff genuinely sets your mouth on fire, but I actually like that. I hate when I use a mouthwash that feels like it's not doing anything. And yeah, this stuff is a total killer, but I bloody love it, but not for the faint of heart. Now, was it really a Michael Reject Shop haul if I didn't pick up some bin stickers? I still can't believe how many of you say that you can never find these in your store. Although in saying that, my local only ever has like a few in stock. But yeah, these are really good just to stick on the inside of your bin. I just find that they help a little bit with bin smells. I mean, depends on what the hell you're chucking in your bin, but I find that just one of these does a really good job. I'll keep one in my main kitchen bin, and then I also keep one upstairs like in my bathroom bin. And then I also picked up a pack of the citronella ones for my outside bins. Not that they're ever that bad, but I mean, in the heat like we have in Adelaide at the moment, sometimes you open those lids and you're like, holy shit. So yeah, these just help a little bit, you know? Alright, next up, one of my favorite American drinks ever. It's the Arizona iced teas. I've been drinking these for like over 10 years now, so thanks Tumblr for getting me hooked. First of all, we've got the green tea and honey, absolute classic. And then I've never tried the blueberry and white tea, so I thought I'd pick up a couple of bottles while I was there. I really enjoy white tea, so yeah, fingers crossed these are good. But I do tend to enjoy like every Arizona flavor, so I'm sure they'll be good. And I do love that I said that this was like a household restock and all I've got is pretty much everything but that. But another bloody vintage classic, the St. Ives facial scrub. Now this formula isn't that traditional like apricot kernel really tough scrub, although I do really love that one and still use it to this day. This is more of a medium scrub and it's a pink lemon and mandarin one. Oh, that one smells really good. I don't always love like an extreme exfoliation. Sometimes I just want like a little bit, I guess. Yeah, I'll try this one and see how it goes. I know St. Ives gets a bad rap, but don't fall for it. I friggin' love it and still use it to this day, and I think I've got pretty good skin for a guy in his 30s. Well, 36 this year actually, but who's counting? Okay, yay, an actual household related item. So I just grabbed a tub of the Nappy Sand Vanish Oxy Action Gold Pro formula. Anyone who sleeps with bloody white bedding, white sheets, all that fun stuff, you guys know the struggle is real. I'm human, alright? Sometimes I sleep in my makeup and I definitely fake tan overnight as well. So these bad boys have stains that just won't come out. I just grabbed this one because I've used it plenty of times before and I find that it does a really good job. If there's better options, let me know. But I find a little goes a long way with this stuff and it lasts for ages. So yeah, I just grabbed one of those. Alright, oh shit, really hit myself in the face with that. Serves me right for trying to be cool. Anyway, I picked up a new toothbrush and toothpaste. So this is by White Glow. It's their Cosmic Bright formula. Free braces. I used to use these guys all the time. I bloody love these brushes. And I find that the toothpaste does a really good job of whitening the teeth. But I specifically got this one because I'm noticing my usual toothbrushes that I would normally use, I think they might be too soft. My braces are like shedding them to death. So I just picked these up because I find that the bristles are a little bit tougher. Do a really good job of actually getting in between the teeth as well. Yeah, so I mean, good value. You get a brush and a paste all in one. And yeah, they're just consistent. So I grabbed it while I was there. Ooh, okay, I'm really excited to try this. So this is by the brand Yugu. It's this Get Up Foaming Pipe Cleaner. Now, you've probably seen me talk about their pink foam. It's like the can that you shake up and you stick it upside down on the pipe and it like floods the pipe through with this pink foamy stuff to clear it out. Oh my god, I freaking love that product. But they didn't have any in stock today. Instead, they've got this new formula. Maybe they still have the pink one, I'm not sure. But yeah, this one is really, really good because it actually has like a little plastic sort of nozzle to go down into the pipe. I mean, that's pretty sweet. At least you can be a bit more precise with that and not get any of that like pink foam spillage. So just in case it's the best thing since sliced bread, I grabbed a backup can. But yeah, I'll try this tonight and I can let you know how it goes. Okay, now technically this is a household item, right? I just grabbed a value pack of the Nescafe strong cappuccino sachets. And what can I say? I really like these. I like the flavor. They just have a touch of sweetness to it. It's got a nice little kick as well. So very convenient if you're just like on the go. Oh, okay, I planned that well. My lucky last item, which is a household cleaning item, it's a box of the Sard washing machine cleaner. You guys know I alternate between these ones and there's like a Dettol one. Whichever one I just see, I grab. But I just find these keep me in a good cleaning routine for my washing machine. I hate that that rhymed. But pet owners get it. Sometimes you just get like hair buildup and like gunk buildup. So these are always handy to have on standby. That was my lucky last item. So let's look at prices. So for the 17 items, it was $112.45. Considering I bought a couple of backups of some items, I think that was a really good price. I love that a good reject shop haul is like my measure of success. You know the deal. Let us all know in the comments section what you guys have been loving from the reject shop lately. So I know I always say it, but you guys influence me more than anyone else on these bloody apps. If you want a review on anything specific, make sure you let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching. And if you really enjoy this type of content, make sure you hit that follow button because I do lots of shopping, reviews, hauls, recommendations, all that sort of fun stuff. We have a lot of fun over here, but it is dangerous for the bank account. So, right, I'm gonna go try this stuff in my drain. Wish me luck, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!